Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Purple Finch Photography. For those of you who are new here, my name is Matt. Today we're going to be going over how I use Movavi Video Editing Studio to create videos here on YouTube. Now, I just want to say before we begin, this is not endorsed by Movavi Video Editing Studio or its creators in any way. But I use this mainly as my video editing software, and I've used Adobe After Effects and Sony Vegas in the past. Nothing really compares when it comes to a user-friendly and powerful service that can also export your videos in a good time frame. This video editing software has given me great results without the headaches that I've experienced with other programs. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, what you're going to want to do if you haven't done so yet is download Movavi Video Editor from their official website. Once you've installed and opened the program, you'll see the main interface. Now I'm going to give you a quick rundown of the interface. On the left over here, you have your media library where you can import video clips, images, and audio files. You can also add folders and append your projects. The timeline down here at the bottom is where all the magic happens. You have your undo and redo buttons, your delete button, cursor. This blade will skim clips and split them. This tool will split your clips wherever your head cursor is. You have your cropping, your color adjustments, your properties, and your transitions. Once you have a video imported, if you go to this gear over here, you have your options to change it from low resolution to high resolution preview. Just know that unless you have a very, very powerful computer, running high resolution preview at 4K, it's almost nearly impossible. Now, the thing that I really like about this video editing software is that if you have a larger resolution file such as 4K or 8K, the program itself will optimize the video. Even though it does take a while sometimes, it will optimize the video to be able to preview it at a low resolution. Now, Adobe After Effects and Sony Vegas, they don't optimize the video enough for it to perform well on lower spec PCs. I've also had trouble with other softwares not being able to render it as easily. The settings can get a little bit tricky sometimes, and when you come up to here and try to export a video on Movavi, there are just brilliantly easy choices to choose from. I mean, the frame rate, all it is, you change your resolution, the video codec, whether it's an MPEG or it's an H.264, it's easy for you to choose between that, edit your resolution, and it's nice that they also allow you to choose different files to export as. So like I was talking about before, you can also enable your guides here, as well as open the player in a new window. And what's nice about this is that you can take this new window, and if you have a dual monitor setup like I do, you can just drag it over here, and then you can preview your video over here while you edit it on this side. Now, as you can see down here, it's optimizing my HD clip, and what it's doing right now is it's taking that bigger file and it's compressing it into a smaller preview so that I can preview the video as I edit it. To start a new project, you can come over to File, create a new project, import a new file, and it's as easy as that. Obviously, I wasn't gonna save that, but you can save your files easily and just come right into a new project. That's why I like Movavi so much, is that it's just so quick and easy to use. You have everything here. You can cut your videos. You have a little button right here which will disable the gaps in between each one of your clips. So if you have a bunch of clips that are separated, it will join them together easily for you. You can move around the playhead to skim your video and see different points where to edit, and then you can come over here. You can split your videos. You can also add transitions to your videos, and this is really cool. Movavi offers more premium filters and transitions. You'll see it over here in this little pink crown icon, but they also offer over 140 free transitions as well, and some of these are actually really good. It's so nice that they have so much of a variety of different transitions that you can choose from, and I use a lot of them in my videos just like this. Shot. This is where we start to get a bit more intricate. What you want to do first is start with another great technique is the vertical rise. Take your drone to new heights with this type of shot. They also offer a wide range of different effects that you can use. such as blurring, color filters, flying objects, smart objects, vignettes. Now this file that I've opened here is a project that I've been working on. I did upload this video recently. This is a documentary that I created for our community lake. If you guys could go check out that video, I would greatly appreciate it. We are trying to raise funds to restore the dam that collapsed in July of last year. This affected our entire lake's ecosystem. This has made it very hard for us to do recreational activities during the summer. And we just want to get the lake back to the way it was. So if you guys could go check it out and leave it a like and give it some love, I would greatly appreciate it. So getting back to the video, you can also add text and other fonts. Movavi offers a lot of paid ones as well as free fonts and text that you can use. All you have to do is drag it onto the timeline, and this will create an animated text for you. You can click on it in the live preview and edit it to the way that you want. And then once you preview it, it comes up just like that. I've even used some of these texts and fonts to create real estate videos to describe the properties and the different sceneries that they have. So once you're happy with all of your edits, all you have to do is click the export button like I said before, and you can just export right from here. Choose your desired format and settings and hit the start button, and Movavi will begin to export your video. Now, the thing that I really like about this is that this is the fastest video editing software in terms of rendering out your video completely. Sony Vegas and Adobe After Effects, they just, especially with larger format files like 4K and 8K, they take way too long. And for a video creator such as myself who doesn't have a $1 million PC, it's nice to have something that will create a video and export it within a reasonable amount of time. I can take a 12-minute 4K video and it will export in about an hour to an hour and a half, which is amazing in terms of rendering on a PC. So that's about all I have for you guys for today. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. This was just a little video going over exactly what I use to create my videos. But I would definitely love to go in depth on different topics. So if you guys have any suggestions, feel free to comment below and I will be sure to touch on different topics. As always, thank you guys for watching and happy flying.